Howdy everybody. Welcome to our walkthrough version 1 of the Signals dashboard. I'm sure this will change in due time, but I just want to show you the basics for now. In here, once you get logged into the analytics, you can get into that by coming to quantlabs.net/academy. Once you get logged in, you should get authorization to use this Signals dashboard, which is this dashboard here. And essentially what you'll find is we have the introductory video, the tour video, what you're watching now will be posted here. You get your membership information, your profile information at any different levels you might be signed up for. And these are the core items that you'd be wanting to focus on. So as I said, we have the tour video. Here we have the tutorials page, which can be found on my blog. That is on purpose for anybody who wants to learn about what the analytics service is. This is all the different tour videos. It's broken up into a couple of sections here. One on just generally about Binance, the exchange, cryptocurrency, why I'm using crypto and how to use crypto. Here, this video will show you how to make a deposit into Binance and how to get access to the API access keys. That's so that you can get this program working in this section called Quick Trading Signal Install and Usage Demo. Here, I demonstrate a early version of the program that you would use to configure both your email settings as well as your Binance account key information. That's the API and secret key that is described in this video here. And then scrolling on down, if you are wanting to feel dangerous and you want to learn about how the client software works, which is written in Python, you can download this program here and learn more about it under this section here. This is not really for people that are non-technical or don't know it or not comfortable with technology or programming, but it's made available for those that want to customize that Python script, because you can add on more information in terms of risk, scale up, do risk management, that sort of thing when you receive the signals before you automate the orders. So these 3 videos and probably more are made available for those people that as an option. But most people that are non-technical will use this quick trading signal client here that I've just explained before that. And then in here, as part of the emails, because that's how you get your trading signals. And if you watch any of these top videos, it'll fully explain how the service works in pretty detailed manner. But here, just generally, you will have to figure out how to set up emails to receive them via the signals via email. There's a lot of options you have available. You could do it via Yahoo, Gmail. Generally, if you read point 3, this is the preferred method to have your own custom domain, and that will remove, and you have more control over spamming rules to speed up the reception of that email. And in here, I explain how to get all that set up in this little section here, and some of the other options you might have here, just more for marketing purposes and just how the service works, is kind of like a frequently asked question, where you're just being upfront, transparent, and honest about how this thing works and the different market conditions you'll come away with, and that's pretty well it as a tour of this dashboard. So going back into the dashboard itself, so that's the tutorials page. That's where you learn everything. In here is a software download. So in here, this is where you can download the client that I explained in this video here, the email client to receive emails and do the automated trading on your behalf through Binance Exchange. So you'll get that software that downloads if it's Windows, Mac. I mean, I could even build a Linux version, but most people will want either Windows or Mac, so you can get that here. And I'll be putting helpful videos on how to install the client program into your particular operating system, be it Mac, OS, or Windows. And continuing along for the useful links down here, another benefit we have is the secure chat. Originally I was hoping to deliver emails by, instead of email, do Telegram. But things like Telegram, any messaging services that there is, they log, they track all that information. So I decided to keep everything anonymous that you can log into. I just need to know which people come in. And the other thing is it's a secure chat server as well. So you could talk about anything you want and don't have to worry about who you are. And you could talk freely about whatever, and there's nobody tracking that conversation, because it's, as I said, anonymous, and there's no tracking at all on that chat server because, well, it's proprietary software that I installed, and seems to work okay. So in here is the crypto video playlist. This is just the standard public YouTube channel. If you go on my YouTube channel, I have a playlist for crypto, Bitcoin, that sort of thing. I think there's 300 plus, 382 videos there, and it's growing almost every day. In here we have Instagram. In Instagram, I post a lot of the what's been going on with myself, namely the daily performance of this thing, just updates on charting and that sort of thing. So I put that in the Instagram account. As well, we have, a lot of people might not know, but I also have a programming group with about 12,000 people in it. And I also put trading news in there as well, namely crypto, commodities, stock, indices, that sort of thing, into this group as well. So you can get information there. Now these two buttons are to expand down the line. These are typical blog posts that I post about anything related around crypto, for anything that my system or one of my systems can generate in terms of documents, reports, charts that I wouldn't generally post in the Signal service. So I will be making that available from time to time. And also I have the same thing with the cryptocurrency. So the difference between these two is one is generated systematically, and the other one is manually generated. So I might do some extra research to say, hey, this coin is performing well, here's why, that sort of thing. So you can get information in there. And the only people that get access to this are the people that are part of this service. So it's not like out there in public and open to the public. And lastly, every Monday, I have over here on my website at quantlabs.net/webinar, weekly webinars every Monday, just on a variety of topics. If this membership gets big enough, I'll probably do, and there's enough viewers each time, I might be able to do private ones as well for the membership as well. So along here on the side, most of these links are other blog posts from other services. So in here you'll find there's courses, the elite membership, the analytics service as well, and all these other services. The only one you'll get access to is the Signals dashboard. So again, it's under quantlabs.net /academy, and then under analytics dashboard, just right here, Signals dashboard. That's what people will have access to. Everything else you will not get access to, because obviously you got to pay for it. So anything else you will not get access to it, and it'll just tell you that, hey, you don't have access to it. And it's any of these as well. These are built for my elite members. But this is just as a taste to if you want to go outside of crypto and delve more into technology, you can do that. Because this is over a 10-year archive of content, and there's thousands of pieces of content over the years. You can see how far back it goes, all the way back to 2012. So actually it's 8 years of content. So just to let you know how this works, and that's pretty well the tour, and I'm sure I'll have an updated video tour at some point. Thanks for watching.